Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add any website link bio to your TikTok account from your PC. To do so, first of all, let's open up your TikTok on your Google Chrome. And after you have opened up your TikTok on your Google Chrome, log into your account like I already am. And after logging into your account, you'll be on the For You page. Just go onto the profile which is on the left side of your screen. After you are onto your profile, you can see an option for edit profile. If you click on edit profile, this pop-up will appear where now you are able to edit your username and name and also add a bio as well. You can add any kind of bio of your choice and any link of your choice as well. After adding on any kind of bio in your link choice, just click on save. After that, your bio will be updated. If it is not showing, just refresh your page. Here you can see that I've refreshed my page, and now I'll give it some time to load, and you can see that it has loaded up on my screen. And that's how you can add links to any website on your bio on TikTok. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.